There's not much to do.
Hello, beauties! Let's create this gorgeous pink eye look.
Thinking about you.
First, prep your eyes with a concealer and set it with a setting powder. I'm using Lakme Face Powder in the shade Rose for a smooth base. Next, take a purple eyeshadow on a flat brush and create a line all over your lid. Now, grab a fluffy brush and blend a pink shade over the purple line in circular motions to avoid any patchiness.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you.
Keep blending until the colors looks.
I'm beside you. I would.
Create a halo effect. Apply a small amount of concealer to the center of your eyelid using a flat brush.
Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it.
Set it with face powder to avoid creasing. Then take the pink shade again and apply it on both sides of the concealer to soften the edges. Use the same pink shade on the crease to blend everything together smoothly.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you.
Some extra sparkle, take a golden shimmer shade and apply it to the center of your lid using your finger for maximum impact.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Apply the pink shade to your lower lash line and buff it out with a small brush for a soft, blended look.
I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
Highlight your inner corner with a golden shimmer liner to make your eyes pop. Finish the look by applying eyeliner and softening it with a bit of black eyeshadow for a smoky effect.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for.
Clean up any fallout with a wet wipe. Then, prep your under eye area with moisturizer, apply concealer, and set it with powder.
Nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. That's all I want.
Finish off with mascara.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay.
And a touch of golden shimmer for extra glam. And that's it, ta-da! Let me know what you think about this look.
I would. We talk on